Hi, I'm Roy.
Hi, I'm Evelyn. We have recently sold our 4-room flat and bought our next ideal home with Amelia's help.
And it's been an enjoyable process. As our family grew, we decided to upgrade in terms of space, and we lead quite busy lives. We have 2 young kids and we work full-time. We don't know whether we had the time to actually look into the details that would entail for if we were to sell and buy at such a close proximity in terms of time. We really needed someone to step in and to project manage, to look out for our selling process and also our buying process.
Thanks to how Amelia guided us through, and also pointing up to us like different gaps and areas of concerns, and she was very knowledgeable and she was very proactive in offering many options to us, and also she has like great negotiation skills, so very thankful that we have her to be able to negotiate to a price that was beyond my expectations. Amelia is also like a very she's very responsible, and she's also very responsive and also very reliable. So we were at this wedding lunch. We received the offer from a buyer, and we were really quite busy because that weekend was just so jam-packed with like a lot of activities with our children, with our social engagements. But we were so assured how the process should be as we proceed. We were able to like what I said, really decide properly. Despite us having so many things at the back of our heads, but this part we are really able to be very assured.
She was able to come down and explain things to us in a very understandable way, that we didn't feel confused, and we felt assured that she wasn't pulling wool over our eyes, and she was really just very transparent, and we valued that very much. We wanted somebody who was professional, but also we wanted somebody who's sincere in our journey. So we're glad to have met Amelia in this. We know that she is in our side, in our team. She actually took into account our needs, our wants, the things that we are looking out for our young family.
She was very sincere, and she was also very open to what we have in mind, because we were also looking to buy another flat, and it's not such an easy process and a straightforward transaction. She was able to help us look at the things that we have in hand and what are our needs and life goals in the future, and she helped us really lay out different options and explore it in detail, the possible implications, or the different areas, and we were able to come to an informed decision. I like it that there is some kind of value add in her negotiation and her updates. She would definitely like update us with her recommendations. I think that was really good. It's not just an update and hey, so what do you want, but it's an update with her recommendation, her suggestion.
A funny story about that unit that we had chosen. There were a couple of people who were also very interested in the same unit, but having Amelia on our side and her having that communication skills that she had, and that clarity of thought in the whole process actually became like a trump card for us.
Remember, there were actually like 3 offers, but she actually clinched it for us with her great negotiation skills.
When we were going through our selection process in our buying, we really leaned on our agent's expertise and knowledge. We also had blind spots, but then after talking with Amelia and her sharing us that maybe this unit is not so suited for our family because of the things that we actually spoke about earlier, we were able to come up with a better decision that we are very, very happy with. But having somebody who would guide us and ask us the correct questions, but still, I think eventually still leave the decision to us, I think that's something that is very important to us as buyers.
If you're looking to actually sell or buy your house, we would definitely recommend Amelia, because she made this such a seamless and really fast-free process for us. The journey was really smooth.
So we have totally no regrets in getting someone like Amelia to help us out in our selling and also in our buying, and we hope that you make the good decision like we did.